In today's video, you are going to see the 5 best jeans to buy here in India right now. All the jeans which you are seeing in this video, comfort wise, they are the best jeans, guys. Trust me. What's up, my stylish people? This is Sishank. Welcome back to the channel, the best place for shopping hauls, outfit inspirations, shopping and styling tips for men. If you are new here and if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to this channel if you are interested in watching content like this. Coming to the must-have denim number 1, the basic denim each and every guy should have, the blue denim. This is a skinny fit denim. All these jeans which you see here in this video are the skinny fit ones. However, for the Jack & Jones skinny fit, I bought this in a Ben skinny fit rather than going for the Liam skinny fit. The Ben skinny fit have enough room at the ankle area, so it's more or less like a slim fit, so it fits like a slim fit. So make sure that you consider before buying this. This is the skinny fit option from Jack & Jones, and I got this in a size of 30 by 30, and it fits very well to me as you have the option of selecting the inseam length for this jeans. It will make a great buy. This is priced at 3,500 rupees and I got this for an absolute bargain of 1,500 rupees. If you ended up liking any of the pieces shown in this video, all the links can be found in the description below. So coming back to the jeans, it fits incredibly well, and when it comes to the quality, Jack & Jones have the best quality when it comes to the jeans. But if I have to nitpick one thing, I should have selected these jeans without these stitchings. I'm not a big fan of the stitchings with that contrast orange color. In the skinny Liam fit at 4,500 price point, they have the full blue jeans without the stitching also. If you want, you can go for that. I will leave the link for that as well in the description below. But however, for the 1,500 price point, if you want a best quality jeans, you can never go wrong with this blue color denim. Coming to the piece number 2, or the must-have jeans number 2 from this video, is the black color. Can you see this as black color? No, it's not a black color, guys. It is a light washed black color jeans with a camo print. If you see this very closely, it is having a camo print on it. The camo print is very subtle. This is also skinny fit, but as I mentioned before, it fits on the slimmer side, and that is to my liking. If you guys are not aware by this time, I like camo a lot. I have the camo jacket and whatever the possible options in the camo, I have each and everything. And when it comes to the material they have used for and durability, when it comes to the material of the jeans number 1, the material is thicker. When it comes to this jeans, the material is very thin. They have gone for this material which is super stretchy, and it feels so comfortable when compared to the jeans number 1. And this is a very easy recommendation. And coming to the price point, this is priced relatively on the higher side at 4,000 rupees, but however, you can get it as low as 1,800 rupees. I got this from Amazon. Coming to the piece number 3, it's a white jeans, and it is from Zara in a skinny fit. I got it in a size of 31. It fits really well, and this is the best time to buy the white jeans because it's summer. I do have a white jeans and I unboxed it, or I opened it during the time of my video during January. I just got that for the shopping haul, and then it got spoiled. But the crazy part is Zara Basics at that time, the price point was 1,990 rupees, but however right now the price is 2,290 rupees, guys. So they have increased the price of the Zara Basics jeans by 300 rupees, thereby cutting down the margin between the 2,800 rupees starting models as well as the basic jeans. They want to entice you guys to go for the 2,800 rupees ones, which are generally the carrot fit ones or the slim fit ones from the Zara. In terms of fit, it fits very well. For the price point, I feel this is a little bit on the higher side, 2,300 for the white jeans. And the durability, yes, the durability with the material is great, but you have to take care of it because it's white color and there are multiple chances that it can get spoiled very easily. And I'm telling by my own experience because I have to buy it again. So even for 2,300, I will recommend, but it's subjective and it's your personal preference, guys. Coming to the piece number 4, it is a blue light washed denim from Zara in a size of 31, and it is priced at 2,300 right now. But this is the one which I got during January and which I have shown in my first video of the best 7 denims. At the time it's priced at 2,000 rupees, but right now they have increased it, as I said before, so it's 2,290. and when it comes to fit, it fits the same. So you do not have the option of inseam length, but you do get the cropped fit when you go for the 2,800 rupees jeans in Zara. But the basic jeans, you're not going to get that. But fit wise, these are the best I would recommend to you guys. Coming to the piece number 5, it's a beige color jeans from Zara in a size of 31, and it is also skinny fit. However, it is priced at 2,800 when compared to the 2000 rupees of the Zara basic jeans. I got this color because I'm in love with this color when it comes to the jeans, guys. You will not see this color often when it comes to the jeans. However, when I have seen this color, even though it's beige, I can see a little bit shade of olive into it. In this lighting, you might see as beige only. When it comes to the fit, there's a minor difference to it. It fits a little bit on the even skinnier side when compared to the jeans from the Zara basic skinny jeans. Both are skinny fit only. So I have gone for one size up. Rather than taking a size of 31, I have gone for size 32 for this one. And I recommend for you guys to size up if you're going for these jeans or colored jeans from Zara, because they tend to run on super skinnier side even though it's mentioned skinny fit on the label. I just want to implement this color into my day-to-day outfit when it comes to the jeans, because it adds the versatility and it adds a different dimensions to your outfit when you have a jeans of this color. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the best 5 men jeans you can buy here in India right now. Do let me know in the comment section which jeans you like the most and which you feel the best value for the money. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did so, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel not to miss out on any content like this. That's it from me. See you guys next time.